Okay, STPM mathematics. So for this one, in last week, we studied these examples for vector, and we highlighted the most important part of vectors, as you see in these slides. Today, we will carry on to have more examples on this subject. Another one example, vector multiplication by constant. So we'll carry on our last session, and we will, if A is a vector, so this is 2 and minus 4, write vector B, C, D, and E in terms of A, where B equals minus A, C equals 2A, D equals half A, and E equals minus 3 over 2A. So now solution, how can I compute B from A? You see, B here, it is like this. B equals minus A. That means it is minus 1 multiplied by A. So it means like this. So B, to find B, I multiplied A by minus 1. So this will be minus 1, 2 minus 4. And as we explained last session, that this one must be multiplied by this one must be multiplied by this one, means it must be multiplied by all the elements in the vector. So this will be minus 2, minus 1 by minus 2, it is minus 2, minus 1 by minus 4, it is a plus 4. So this is how we find B. Now, C. C equals what? Equals 2A. That means I multiplied A by 2, so it will be simply like this. So, in this case, it is 2 multiplied by 2, and 2 multiplied by minus 4. And this will be 2 by 2, it is 4. 2 by minus 4, it is minus 8. Okay. Now for D, D equals half A. So it is half 2 minus 4. And this will be half multiplied by 2. You see, I multiply this factor by all the elements. So it is 2. And half multiplied by minus 4. And this will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. This will be 1. Half multiplied, it is minus 2. The same thing for the last one. Okay. E equals minus 3 over 2A. And this is the same as 2 minus 4. Keep in mind, in all cases, this one is the original vector, which is A. So this will be minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, and minus 3 over 2 multiplied by minus 4. Okay, now minus 3 over 2 over 2, you see, this one, this will, with this, they will cancel out, and it will leave only minus 3. And this one, you see, this one, minus by minus. So the first thing I put plus 3 over 2. Okay. This will be 2. This will be 1. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 6. So this is this is E. So in this case, we say that A is multiplied by a constant. Okay? Now, another example.